Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron and welcome to this vlog. It's just a nice little vlog where I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now this year has been a little bit of a, not exactly the best of year. This whole COVID-19 thing has, set a lot of things back, and it's been, not really sort of good, and very sort of restricting. But hopefully here at Genessis Models, we've hopefully given you a way in which to kill a bit of time with everyone in sort of lockdown and everything, to be able to just forget about the world, get some modeling done and just have a bit of fun, a little bit of a silver lining in this whole sort of pandemic that's been going on. And hopefully you're going to look forward to the future as well, because in the new year, as we've been saying this year, we have moved things forward with bringing about the beta store so far, as well as we're going to be launching the new store in the new year, the new website, new forum, all these new things coming our way, which should be all really nice and exciting for 2020. Now it is the 21st of December, so Christmas is very, very close now. So this is kind of my last video of the year, but I will be seeing you in the new year on the 1st of January for a whole new show for 2021, which should be good because it's going to be the start of a new year, and probably hopefully have a bit more information about the new website and all the new things that are going to be coming for the new year. So fingers crossed, we'll start the new year hopefully sort of moving forward and things moving forward in that sense. Just to let you know as well, the store, although this is the last video of this year, the store is still going to be open. We're still going to be processing all that. So although I'm having a bit of time off, I'm technically not, because we're still doing all those dispatches and everything. So don't worry, the store will be open over Christmas. One last thing as well is, I just want everyone to keep safe over Christmas and the new year. Don't want anyone taking any unnecessary risks. COVID has hit us a little bit here at home, and I just want everyone just to keep their guard up, keep safe. Don't take this nice news. Yes, it is good news that we've got a vaccine on the way, but COVID is still about. So just keep your guard up, keep safe, and I hope to see you all in the new year. So apart from that, as always, my name's Bob Waldron. This is Genessis Models. A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.